Welcome to the Firefox Tips and Tricks. This is the Web Designer series. And what I want to show you how to do today is actually take templates or whatever you have, header graphics or any kind of graphics actually, and customize them. A lot of times you will get free all over, or you can buy them, blank templates that has like a blank image in them. And you want to add your own text and some effects to them. Get you started out on the basics here, and a few things that need to cover. Of course, if you do not have Firefox already installed on your system, you need to go to firefox.com, and it'll actually forward you to Mozilla site, but you need to get Firefox installed if you don't already. I highly recommend Firefox. There's so many debates over different browsers. Choose whichever one you like, but I've never found one that gives you the amount of options that you do with Firefox. So what we need to do now, let's move right along, and we're going to assume that you already have Firefox installed. If not, again, you need to get it installed before you continue on. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to add-ons, and the first thing that we're going to install is actually a little plug-in. Actually, I call it a plug-in, but they call it an add-on. It's actually a free online editor. You can actually edit you can download and edit from their site, but the nice thing is with Firefox, I'm going to show you a bunch of different tools, and you have it all in one place here. No going to one site to do this and one site to do that, or having a bunch of different stuff installed on your computer. So first thing we're going to do is I typed in PIXLR. We're going to the pixel grabber here, and you can read more about it. I'm not going to tell you all of the things it'll do here because you can read it and see for yourself. Okay, go ahead and go to Add to Firefox, and it'll wait just a second, and then it will install. And it says, of course, make sure you install it from authors whom you trust. I've never had any problems with any type of virus scans on this add-on, so I would not worry about it if I were you. So let's go ahead and do an install now. You'll see it will install. And right off the bat, it's wanting you to restart Firefox to complete your changes. Well, that's fine and dandy. That's actually what we need to do. So let's go ahead and do a restart. Okay, another cool thing about Firefox is when you do a restart, it will retain your position. It'll open the pages right back up where you were. I don't know if you've got 10 tabs open, it doesn't matter. It will still return you to all of them. So there's no worrying about losing your work, of course, unless you're logged into something. Okay, so we see that it's been installed, and there's a few other things here. Let's see, where are we at here? Okay, right there. Let's go to options, and there's a few different little settings here that we will go over. Okay, show the icon in the status bar. I say yes, of course. You can set these to your own preferences. Okay, add right-click menu, definitely. Okay, and if you want to capture screenshots and stuff like that, you want to leave this one checked. I basically leave it at default settings myself. You can go through and try the different settings and make it how you please. Okay, and the advanced editor or the basic, you can look at the two and see which one you like. We're going to use the advanced one, and open and load the application. A new tab will, of course, open it in this same set of windows that we have open right now, a new window or the current. So if you did it in the current, it would replace whatever you were at. New window is a totally new window. So leave everything just like it is, or change it to your likings. Okay, and that's it right there. And what I'll do now is let's go ahead and take a look at these others. There's a few other, that's similar, and I've just never had a whole lot of luck with them. And so my suggestion is to stay with Pixel Grabber and you'll find that it's really cool and no need to have a bunch of stuff installed on your system. Okay, so we've got it installed now, and in the next video we'll get right to editing. There is in the folder in the download here, when you download the videos, there is an example template, and that's what we're going to be working with. So go ahead and locate that, and I'll see you in the next video.